Shidim Shuri, it is Friday, May 16, 2025. Walmart earning came out yesterday, and they make some commentary that knock it down. But if you were paying attention, you could have buy Walmart at a decent bargain or sell put spread, all that stuff. And yeah, hey, trust me, I wish I did. Um, they discuss a little bit about how they might have to raise prices, margin are getting squeezed with potential higher prices on a bunch of items from tariff. Yes, we know they buy a lot of shits. Let's make it very clear, shits from China, toys, stuff that we don't need, but it is what it is. In other countries too, not just China, but a lot of the stuff that they talk about is junk. Anyone that know me know that I'm not a fan of people shopping all the time, buying stuff they don't need. Okay, it's but that's the culture that we are in, consumerism. Okay, so that's the problem. Running up credit card debt for the sake of, if you are struggling financially and you had to run up your credit card debt for food or essential, I get it. But we all know many people are guilty of buying things they don't need even when they don't have money. That's the reality. So would I buy Walmart sell put spread down here? Yes. I wouldn't chase it here on the bounce yesterday. No, too late. Okay, but if it get anywhere near that 50 MA, yeah, I would. If there's one retailer that will do okay in a recession or tough environment, it is Walmart. Okay, it's and if you believe in President Trump that the tariff is not gonna be a big impact because other countries are willing to back down and play fair, then there won't be tariff problem. Okay, okay, let's move on to Costco, which, yeah, I mean, would I buy Costco at the 50 or at the 200? Absolutely. Okay, just be patient. Just be patient. Okay, it's would I sell put spread down here? I would do 930, 935, 922.5. What $5 spread down here. DG, as you can see, without being a dead horse, TA, technical analysis. Okay, it didn't go up here and then stall out and go sideways. It filled the gap. Okay, it's so if you bought Costco down here and you have not trim or sell, what are you doing, right? Surely you bought down here because of TA, I think, right? Dollar General, I did sell a put spread earlier this week down here, 2 days ago. I did. On this day here, I sold 84. I think it was 84, 82, or 83, 81. It was like a $2 spread down here. I wouldn't mind. Trust me, I would not mind getting a sign. But on pullback into the 200, Reason why I did 84 is why reflow. See, reflow is 84, and the 200 is coming down. So I on red days that it, if the 84 have juice, I'm selling more put spread down there because I do not mind. But look at where Dollar General is struggling. That white line, okay? It is not random. Once again, pay attention to TA. Look, that white line, no joke. A 3-year downtrend. If it can break out, we can have a new. This has been a prolonged 3-year bear market for Dollar General, okay? Been a tough 3 years. Store closing, all that shoplifting and chaos, new environment, okay? So there will be a breakout, and I think if you're patient, you can have a 30% return. That gap fill up there, okay? So just pay attention. Once again, where it stalled out, the high of the gap down, as well as that white line. So yeah, TA is TA. People can hate on it all they want. Dollar Tree, impressive. First of all, fill the gap right there. Okay, right here. It's the day that it filled the gap, and then it danced around a little bit, and then it get into the next area. Now, it is at the high of the next gap down. Okay, so there's a sharp rejection there. But down here, if there is a pullback of any sort into this confluence of the 50, of the 100, of the 200, at the same time that's also lined up with that gap down area, yeah, that's the spot. Okay, I'm gonna put in an alert right down here. Sure, it will move. All those moving average will move higher, but create an alert. I'm gonna move it up to 75. Yeah, there you go. If that alert go off, yeah, it's a buy. Okay, I would love to get it, but for now, if you have it, if you bought down here and it ran up there, congrats, right? Congrats. And you can plan to exit 80, 94, 95 ish at the gap fill. That should be the spot. Okay, that should be the spot. Go back 3 years. See, let's look at the chart. Okay, so this one slightly better. Okay, slightly better than Dollar General.